Hi friends, this is from Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we discuss the topic of crystal imperfection. The topic is crystal imperfection. The crystal imperfection, the point defect, line defects, and Virgil vector and stacking fault. These are all forming under the crystal imperfection. So this is we discussed under the unit of crystal physics. So first we discuss what is a crystal imperfection. That means crystal, we know that what are the types of crystal imperfection is formed at the mean of what is crystal imperfection. So the crystal defect is a common irregular or regular geometrical atom in a lattice manner, that is called a crystal imperfection. The perfect crystal is arranged the atom in a lattice manner. It's a unique formation in a periodic range. But in the defect crystal, the atom or ions, it becomes missing in a lattice phase. Right? That's called as a crystal imperfection. So the crystal imperfection is identified in different defects wise. The one is in a point defects. The point defects, it becomes an atom is missing or irregular phase of lattice structures. Right? When the atom is missing in a lattice, it's called as a point defect. The next one is linear defect. The group of atom is in irregular position. So the different position the atom is formed, that's a irregular manner. So that is a second one, linear defect. Then planar defect is a interface between homogeneous region in a material. Homogeneous is in a single, right, regions. That is in a third one, planar defects. The next one, right. So the classification defects based on the dimension. The 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. So the 0 dimension is a form of point defects, and 1 dimension is in a line defects, and 2D is surface and 3D is in a volumes. Right? It's based on the dimension. So based on this dimension, the different types of the defect is formed. One is a vacancy, impurity, and this two will be discussed in the atom position arrangement, the Frankel and Schorsky. The next one is in a dislocation and displacement. Then 2D is a form of gray boundary, twin boundary and stacking fault. These are all form of crystal imperfections. So the first we discuss the atom missing. Look at that. This is a lattice manner. One atom is missing. That called is a vacancy. Right? The self-intellectual, that means this atom is moved from the another one lattice in between of two atoms. Look at that here. So that is self-intellectual. This is become an intrinsic points defects. This is become an extrinsic points defects. That means the new atom is introduced in a lattice manner. So the another atom it will be adjusted. So the lattice atom is moved from the other positions. Right? So this is another one atom. That's why I mentioned in red. So this is becomes an extrinsic and this is become intersexual foreign atom. That means the new atom is formed in the lattice in other lattice plane. The atom is become adjusted. So this is called entire the point defects. So the first one is an intersexual atom that is formed of the one is in a vacancy. Then another one is in a new atom. Then substitutional large atom is formed. The arrangement of atom in a lattice is become irregular formation. That is called, we call it a defect. Then the Frankel pair and substitutional smaller atom. So the Frankel pair means the new atom is formed in between of intersexual phase. That means the two lattice between to form the impurity atom. That's called as the Frankel pair. So we have compared what is the difference between the Schorsky defect and Frankel defects, right? So this is, I think, is clearly explained from the diagram wise, right? The larger atom is missing here, one smaller atom is missing. So the main defects to discuss is an Schorsky, right? The only when there is a small difference in size between the cation and anions, here becomes one anion becomes missing. So the fracture defect is a very important defect in a crystal structure. Right? Thank you. We discussed in the next class. The continuation of crystal imperfection. We discussed the next category is a Berger vector. The Berger vector means the lattice plane, right? It's arrange the atoms. The atom position it will be changed to the form of the defects, right? So this is becomes a Berger vector. That means the magnitude and direction must be changed of the atom position in a lattice manner. That's called as a Berger vector, right? Then another one is a stacking fault. The stacking fault it becomes in a surface level defects, right? So the surface will be slightly deviated and to change from that another level of surfaces, that is called as a surface defect. Then sequence also to be formed in that atom arrangements. Look at that, the A, B, C and C, B, A. These are all the same atoms in a different level of position in a lattice manner, right? If you have any doubt from this arrangement of atoms, no, right? Thank you very much. We meet the other class, right?